Large 2-bedroom junior 4 in Forest Hills, Doorman building. This is entrance. There's 3 closets on the entrance. Big closet here. Another one here. This is the 3rd closet. It's the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. So on the 6th floor, this is the smaller bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size with a dresser. It's got 3 windows and a closet. This is the larger bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size with a dresser. Comes with 2 closets. One here, another one here. The window right there. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets. It's gonna be all stainless steel appliances. Fridge is gonna go right here. Stove is gonna go right here. Gonna be microwave and the dishwasher right here. Gonna be all stainless steel appliances. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. It's 2-in-1. There is a stand-up shower here, and there is a full bathtub. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building, Doorman building, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. 1 block from the express train on 71st Continental stop, the E train and F train, also near the M&R train, LIR train. A few blocks from the famous Austin Street. An apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.